Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm here to do an unboxing for the Flavor of the Month Card Kit by Scrapping for Less. This is the May 2018 card kit and the theme for the month is in the countryside. And there is so much cuteness in this card kit, I cannot stand it. So you can download the contents of the kit and also the 4 sketches that come with the kit every month. You can download these for free. So I will move the contents over, show you what's in the kit, and also I'll be using some of the sketches for the cards, so I'll show you those in more detail in the card video. The paper for the collection number 1 is Country Kitchen by Cartabella. It's so pretty, these beautiful daisies. And on the back, these cute little bird houses with the rake and the bird and the corn. There's some retro ovens, a little cookbook piece of paper, some chicken or hen paper, so cute. Different sceneries from a farm, some checkered, some preservatives. It's really pretty pink plaid with the plates on the back, love those, and this beautiful flower paper with another plaid paper on the back. So double-sided. The stamp set that you'll get is the Brutus Monroe farm emblems. Now these weren't ready from production in time for the design team, but this will be a stamp set of this size when you get your card kit in the mail. And it has these 4 different farm emblems on them, which is really sweet. So that's the first stamp set for the card kit. You also get some Cartabella frames and tags. So I got a couple ephemera or cut aparts, Kiss the Chef, that's really cute, and then this tag frame and frame. You also get a letter sticker sheet from Simple Stories. This is their Snap collection. Goes perfectly with the pattern paper. And then you get a Kennedy Grace sequin collection. This is called Country Kitchen. So pretty, and again, goes perfectly with the collection that Scrapping for Less puts together. So let's move on to collection number 2. So the paper for collection number 2 is Down on the Farm by Doodlebug. I do have a 10 card video using this collection. So super cute, love it. Little horses with the wood grain paper, another beautiful teal turquoise wood grain with the flowers on the back, some checkered black and white paper with some cut aparts, and then the chicken paper, which I absolutely love, and the chicken wire fence on the back of that. The stamp set that you get in collection number 2 is exclusive by Sunny Studios. It's absolutely adorable. It is called Miss Moo, and she is so full of sass. I love her with the great little sentiments. Can't wait to play with that one. You also get Down on the Farm Chit Chat pieces, and Scrapping for Less does break up the collections or ephemera pieces and stuff, as well as the pattern paper, so you will get 6 sheets, but they may look different than the ones I have. So these are the little chit chat that I got, just horsing around. I love this. Love you, pig time, from all of us, and you're so mice. You also get some Down on the Farm mini icons. Super, super cute. And the Kennedy Grace sequins for this one matches perfectly as well, and this one is called Down on the Farm. I love the blues and the reds in that mix. So super cute. There's collection number 2. So for collection number 3, you get the Tiny Checks paper by My Favorite Things. These are the 6 colors that I received in my kit. They are single-sided papers. This stamp set is an exclusive Scrapping for Less Piggy Picnic stamp photopolymer stamp set. It is absolutely adorable. There's a little pig eating a watermelon. This guy has an adorable little face with the picnic basket and blanket, and this sun is absolutely adorable as well. And the sentiments are so cute. Let's have a picnic. And did someone say picnic? I'm dying over cuteness. You also get farm animal stickers. These are by Pebbles. So there's 6 stickers in that. So cute. You get some yellow gingham ribbon. And the Kennedy Grace sequin pack is called Tiny Checks. Super, super, super cute. So there's collection number 3. Collection number 4, you get 6 sheets of 6x6 paper from Farmhouse by American Crafts. So these, oh, they're single-sided. So these are the patterns that I got. Really pretty. Kind of a darker palette than what I'm used to, so I think this might be a challenge for me, but we'll see what I can come up with. The stamp set is absolutely adorable. This is another exclusively designed stamp set for Scrapping for Less. You can only get it in the kit. This is by Avery L. and it is called Barnyard. It is so sweet with these little chicks and the sheep, the cow, and there's great sentiments in this as well. I love the muchos gracias. Cracks me up. How's it going? Oh my gosh, can't wait to play with that. You get some stickers. These are Farm Friend stickers, so you'll get a little selection from that. The Kennedy Grace sequins are called Farmhouse as well. Absolutely love it. They do such a great job making those sequin kits. And then you also get some black and white twine. So there's collection number 4. All of the card kits, you get 4 white envelopes. And the cardstock this month is really pretty. You get the wild cherry, the sour apple, banana split, black licorice, craft, whipped cream, and then those are all from My Favorite Things. And then you get 2 sheets of cardstock, which are Nina 110-pound smooth white Silver Crest cardstock. So that's everything you'll get in the kit if you get the double dip sundae. Now, if you get the banana split, you also get another package of goodies. So in the banana split level, you'll get a candy. The stamp is by Technique Junkies. This is called Faith, Family, and Farming. It's a red rubber stamp. You will also get some burlap to design with, and one of 3 Nouveau Jewel Drops. This is the Strawberry Coulis. You can also get Orange Marmalade or Sea Breeze. So I don't have any of the Jewel Drops. These dried translucent, so I'm excited to try that out. You also get a die every month with the banana split level. This one is Frantic Stamper Incorporated, and this is the little chickens. And here's the size of the die there. I did cut those out so you could see what they look like. The little chick is absolutely adorable. So there's the die cut out. So that is the Flavor of the Month card kit for May. I'm so excited to be a YouTube card kit ambassador for Scrapping for Less. Stay tuned for some cards coming up with this card kit. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Bye.